in Ibis Paint X. First you wanna gather your thingies in Pinterest. You wanna search waffles ingredients, and you wanna copy this, and you wanna copy this. But I already collected all my thingies, so yeah. And once you gather all the recipes, it's time to bake. Okay, we're gonna go to Ibis Paint X. Just wait. My phone. Bro, hurry up. This is why. What the heck? Yeah, I don't mind this drawing. I'm gonna. Back to my gallery. Don't mind that drawing, okay? I'm waiting. Bro, this is starting to PMO me. Like, bro, oh my god. Just wait. Okay, bro, wow. Oh, let's skip. Close. You wanna do custom and you wanna do it max, okay? First, you gotta get your recipe. You gotta get your recipe, okay? This is your reference. Okay. Bro! Okay, let me just draw a bowl, okay? A big fat bowl. Never mind, I don't need a bowl. First, wait. First, you gotta grab your 2 eggs. So let me just grab my 2 eggs. Okay, got. Okay. Let me just grab my 2 eggs. Okay, wait. What have I done? Well, at least I got my. Hey, at least I got my 2 eggs. Okay, let's just get my cup. Just wait here. I'm gonna get my cup. Okay. I'm gonna get my cup. I'm just gonna get my cup. Okay. Cup. Okay, I'm just gonna get my cup. That's a little. Need to grab a tin cup. Okay. Now let's put my vanilla extract. Pure vanilla in there. Wait. I haven't even took the cap yet. I haven't even take off the cap. Just wait, I'm gonna take off the cap. I'm gonna take off the cap, okay? Okay, I took the cap Time time to pour the vanilla extract. Wait. Okay, the vanilla extract is pouring in. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, time to put this right here. Okay. Okay. Now we should break these 2 eggs. Okay, let's take the lid off. Okay, let's yeah. Okay, get rid of the yolk. Time to throw this. Yeah. Okay, I officially throwed out the leftovers. Time to get rid of this. Time to get rid of this. Okay, time to break the other one. Oh cool, it broke in half. And I also put the bowl here to so where the thingy is. So yeah. Okay, I have my trash can back. Time to throw these. Time to erase these. Okay. This is pretty good. Let me erase the vanilla extract. I don't need it anymore. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let's pour in the vanilla extract. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. Got rid of the vanilla extract because that was a lot of things. Okay, so let's just spawn in my butter, my melted butter. I mean, okay, time to spawn my melted butter. Okay, I think that's it. Just add a little bit. Okay, that's okay. I poured in my melted butter. What else? 2 cups all-purpose flour. Okay, I'll add that later. Nah, just kidding. I'll add that later. But first, I'll add this. I'll add the 13 or whatever thing. So let me just spawn it real quick. Okay, the thing is pouring now. The milk is pouring. So let me just. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Let's just whisk it, but first I need to on my whisker, so let me just wait. I don't have a whisker, so let's just make one. I don't have a whisker, so let's just make one. First let's leave my kitchen and go make a whisker, okay? A whisk. Let's go make a whisker. Okay, let's make the whisker now. I don't know if this is a whisker, but whatever, let's trust the process. That kind of looks like a whisker. Add more whiskers. Okay, that looks like a whisker. Okay, let's go into my kitchen again. Just this way. Hello. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, time to whisk it. Now time to yeet this away because I don't. It turned brown. Okay, time to add the flour. Okay, let me just spawn it real quick. Spawn. Okay, it is starting to. It is starting to pour. Some of them are sinking, some of them are floating. Okay, I think that's enough. To whisk it again. Wait, no. Let me just 1 tablespoon baking powder. Okay, let me just spawn this. Okay, I grab it. No, let's. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, what else? Teaspoon salt. Okay, let me just spawn it. Beep. Okay, time to add it. Okay, I think that's enough. And time to whisk it the second time. Let me just spawn in my whisker. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Time to whisk it. Now time to eat this away again because I don't really need. It has become a lighter brown. Is that fine? And let me just dip it. And that's all. Just have to put it in a waffle maker, and that's all. But I don't want y'all to make to watch me make the waffle cook because that's gonna take 10 minutes. So let me just draw a check mark and actually never mind. Let's put it in a check mark and that should be all. Okay. Here's the waffle. So cool, right? Yep. That's all. Enjoy your waffles. Enjoy your waffle, guys. Why isn't there any butter on there? Let me just fix it. Let me just add some butter. There we go. See? See? And by the way, that's all. Bye-bye. You can also do this in real life. So you can enjoy your waffles. Just just tell your parents, or if you're an adult, just make it. But if you're a kid, just tell your parents and just just help your parents make it, and yeah. So bye guys. I'm now gonna eat my waffle. I'm gonna eat my waffle now. I'm gonna eat my waffle, okay? Don't disturb me. No. Anyways, bye. Bye guys. See you on Monday. Nah, just kidding. See you when I post another vid, okay? Bye bye.